So hey guys, once again welcome back. So this is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, we are going to continue our series of unique handsets. So today we have this Kechoda K33. It is a Bluetooth dialer card phone with us. So this is a review unit and this is very old box, and obviously it has been opened for several times. So today in this video guys, we are going to look at this device. We will look at its specifications, and guys, lastly I'll tell you whether this device is worth buying or not. So guys, please be in this video till the last, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button, press the bell notification icon so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get straight into the video. So as you can see the box, we have this Bluetooth dialer written here, and you can see the device image, and we have panic button as well, which is long press key. So and at the back you can see box is very dirty. Obviously it is old review unit. So we have 1.44-inch QQVGA display, we have camera, MP4 MP3 support, and we have dual standby, dual SIM, and we have Bluetooth F card support, and we have this lithium battery, Bluetooth dialer, and audio jack as well. So now let's move on to the device. So inside the box you can see the device at the back. So this is very small, as you can see guys, and this comes with this glossy back which is looking very good, and we have this camera here, and we have this LED flash, we have Kechoda written here, and you can see it is a card phone. So apart from this, we get this cable. It's a normal micro USB cable, and this battery, and nothing else. So let me just open the battery. Okay, so inside you can see we have SIM slots. So we have SIM 1 slot and SIM 2 slot, and we have this micro SD card slot. So let me just open the battery. Okay, so it is very small device, and yeah, and looking good. And in the front you can see we have this blank kind of device design, so that means the keys are not visible. So yeah, you can see, so we have this just power button visible, as you can see, red dot. So let me just power this. So after the phone is on, you can see, we can see the keyboard in the light, but if we just lock the key guard, so you can see we cannot see the keyboard, but you can see now we can see the keyboard. So it is this in this circular form, keys are in. So now very nice design, you can see everything is just blank, and we can see. So this is very unique kind of keyboard. So and we have this basic things which I think it is not of your interest, because it is like basic things which you will find in almost all feature phones, and nothing is special. Bluetooth dialer and everything. So and everything is working fine, I have tested. So we have this very beautiful design, and as you can see at the back we have this glossy design which is actually looking very good, and because of its size it is very compact device, as you can see. And obviously price of device is under 1000 rupees, so that is why I think it is the good buy if you are looking for this kind of unique design. So thanks all for watching. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you so much guys.